October 15, 2019. Today marks the commemoration of the deadliest earthquake ever recorded in Philippine history since the last 2 decades. The 7.2 magnitude earthquake, which struck our beloved province, Bohol. This 6th-year anniversary of the earthquake is highlighted by the Holy Mass initiated by the provincial government of Bohol.
We thank God for all the years that we have survived. Salamat kita sa Ginoo. But the question is, how we survive spiritually also. We might have survived physically, puno atong bulsa, but there must be something wrong on our spirituality today.
Then followed the commemoration speech of our Vice Governor, Rene Lopez Relampagos.
And we are very happy and lucky because the leadership then at the time, not just the leadership as far as the Philippine government was concerned, but as well as the leadership of Congress in the Senate and in the House, they were very, very attentive and sympathetic for all of us and to all of us. In fact, not only were funds provided to Bohol, coming from the treasury of the Philippine government, but as well as personal funds and donation that came from my colleagues in Congress. Why am I telling you all this? Because today, this is what we are doing. We are commemorating, we are remembering, and as we remember that very sad day of October 15, 2013, this day also gives us the opportunity to be able to thank the Lord Almighty, to be able to thank all the people who were with us, helping us to be able to rise again.
Based on the latest report from DILG, Bohol Earthquake Assistance Fund nga 2.3 billion, as of last report ato nakuha sa DILG is 95% nata sa atong rehabilitation and recovery effort. So more or less, pipilan na lang ni ka mga infrastructure projects nga atong gitiwas. After 6 years sa atong gi-commemorate karon, 95% na based on DILG report. I think 9 or 8 heritage churches ang nagpadayon na lang sa iyang reconstruction is ang Loon, Maribohok, and Lobok Church. Atong office, the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, has been concentrating with preparedness measures. Gipangusga nato after the earthquake nato sa October 15, 2013, we found out nga 5 day atong fault line throughout the province. So again, because of these findings, nagsige ta coordinate sa LGUs, coordinate the national government through DILG, Office of Civil Defense, and we're doing several preparedness measures through trainings sa atong mga emergency response team sa LGU. Lungsod sa Dawis, naghimo ta og WASAR, Water Search and Rescue Training. Sa lungsod sa Kandihay, naghimo tag MUSAR, Mountain Search and Rescue Training. Karon ongoing atong training sa Talibon Tertiary 117 Substation. 6 days ni nga training, hopefully by in 2 weeks time gikan karon mag-open na pud tag tertiary substation sa Talibon. By next year, the first quarter, commitment ni Governor Yap, mag-open pud ta og tertiary substation sa lungsod sa Anda. Daghan kayo tagihimo ato ni provincial government, pero ang LGUs, municipal LGUs, ang national agencies, do na pud sila respective activities. Pero importante mag-align ta, mag-partner ta para in several fronts kaya nato with partnerships sa LGUs. The mandate of Governor Yap is to be very bullish with several disaster management programs. And we're happy suportado po ta sa Sangguniang Panalawigan, sa Office of the Governor, we're supported with budgetary support. In a way, capacity building programs atong gipangusgan, partnerships with different NGOs, national government agencies, and several partners. And we're happy to report to the public, especially the Boholanos, that we're doing everything we can as far as disaster management and emergency response is concerned.
The earthquake brought so much havoc, costing hundreds of lives, millions of properties, and priceless heritage churches. The Boholano resiliency was tested. Despite the tragic event, Boholanos have risen in the midst of struggles and adversities. We cannot stop disasters, but we can always arm ourselves with preparedness to reduce the risk of an unexpected destructive phenomenon.